Hi, I'm Gary. I'm one of the video content specialists here at Displays2go. I would like to share with you one of my favorite meals to make at home. Now, this is a curry dish, but what's cool about it is you can swap out different ingredients to make it suit your tastes. So what are we waiting for? Let's just jump right in. First, take 3 potatoes, peel them, cube them, then place them in a pot of water and put them to boil for 15 minutes. Next, we'll get the rice cooking. I'm using a rice cooker for this, but if you don't have one, then follow the stovetop directions. Take a large onion, dice it. 4 cloves of garlic, dice it. Thumb-sized piece of ginger, dice it. 2 large tomatoes, chopped. I'm adding in chopped spinach. You can skip this step if you don't like it. We're also going to use 2 cups of chickpeas or 2 cans if you want to make it easy. Now I'm making this vegan, but for you meat eaters, if you would like to substitute potatoes and chickpeas, you can add in some cooked cubed chicken instead. For spices, we'll be using black pepper, salt, cumin seeds, and to make this super simple, we're using a curry powder and 1 can of coconut milk. You can also substitute with a heavy cream or even milk. Now if it's more on the runny side, we'll add in some cornstarch just to thicken it up. Add some oil to a frying pan on medium heat. Take a teaspoon of cumin seed and toast them in the oil. Add your onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If you like it spicy, add crushed pepper, diced jalapeno, Cajun pepper, whatever you like to add some heat. Let the onions brown a little, then add a ginger. Toss, add the garlic, toss and mix. Let that cook for about 2 minutes. Now add your pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of the curry powder, salt to taste. Now add in your tomatoes and saute for about 2 minutes. Add in your coconut milk, give it a good stir. Cover and let simmer for about 10 minutes. To thicken it up, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This is when you can add your spinach, or even substitute that with peas if you want. Cover, let simmer for about 2 minutes. Now I'll add in my potatoes and chickpeas, or for you carnivores, add in your chicken. Give it all a good mix and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now all that's left is add some rice to a plate, cover with your curry, and enjoy. Look at you. You just made a delicious meal that will feed up to 6 people in under $10. Not too bad.